Hi, this is Sam Harris, part of the UAS team here at Embry-Riddle, and I'd like to talk to you about a very serious condition we call face full of drone. You can avoid becoming a victim of face full of drone yourself if your crew is properly coordinated. The way you become a victim of face full of drone is the person that you're flying with forgets to put the remote control on the ground when it comes time to approach the drone, change the battery, look at a prop, make sure that the gimbal's not sitting there in the grass. The way that works is, let's assume that the remote's hot, and let's assume that the drone is hot as well, meaning the battery is on. Before anyone in the crew can approach the drone, you simply take the remote, put it on the ground, and then the person can walk up to the drone and approach it. Now, the drone's still hot, but the remote on the ground means that nobody's gonna accidentally hit a switch that makes the drone take off, and then you're a victim of face full of drone. So what you want to do is, as you approach the drone, you never want to just put your face over it, because then you can become a victim. You always want to approach the drone from back. Always just reach out with one hand if you can. Put the hand around the skid on the thing. Use your thumb to shut the battery off, no matter what kind of drone you're wearing. And then when the battery goes off and you see the little indicators go off, then you can put your face over it and pull the battery out and everything like that. Never put your face over a live drone. Never reach in with both hands if you can at all help it. And always, always, always make sure that that remote is on the ground if somebody is walking up to that aircraft. This has been your public service warning from the UAS team at Embry-Riddle today, and I hope that you can avoid face full of drone for yourself one day. Thanks for your time. Bye.